morning. I took one downstairs yesterday.
She's pretending to work, but she's not working. She was supposed to do Vlogmas yesterday, but she didn't end up doing it. So I'm just letting you guys know. This is some insider information. Bye.
Housewives. Okay guys, as you saw, there were a couple of things. Well, I went into town the other day, you saw that, but you haven't seen what I got. I got quite a few things, some H&M home stuff and some other stuff too, some stuff for the boy, so I'm not going to show you those, but you can see it when I'm wrapping. Oh, it's Anthropology. They've got really cute Christmas bags. Oh, these are obviously for me. These, funny story, somehow there's a tag in here. We took all the extra tags off and there was a tag in here that kept beeping. These are some Zara boots I got from TK Maxx for $19.99. Really good. I like those. I'll try those on with you. I also got this dress, which is from Rixo. So if you guys don't know, TK Maxx do gold label stuff, and their stuff is like, it's designer stuff, and they're old seasons at like a discounted price. So I got this dress. Where's the other side of the tie? Here. Let me try it and show you what it would look like on. And I obviously couldn't try anything on in the shop, so I was trying it over my jeans, so it looked a bit funny. Because also this is an extra small, which I'm not, but she left the tag on, baby. They left the tag on my dress. Oh, it says home removal. Slide to open. Cut across the bottom of the tag. Okay. Slide. Remove. Ah. Okay. Fine. Interesting. So I guess I'm keeping it. So I just cut that off. It's an extra small, but it's a wrap dress. And it goes across here and there's little buttons, which, where are the buttons? There. So I'll try that on for you guys in a minute. I know it's a bit loud, but I actually quite like the two prints together, and this is what Rixo does. It's a short dress, long sleeve. So I'll show that on with you guys. What can I actually show you? I hope nothing broke. Oh, I got these. How nice. We'll do a bit of wrapping as well today. I've got all my stuff next to me. Also got a little oh my god, this is wrapped so well. One of these guys. Quite cute. I do love anthropology stuff like that. I also just saw this because it was in the sale, and I just really do like their crockery. So it was £7 and I think there was an extra 20% off it or something. And that's just a really sweet bowl. Good size for me because I do not know how to portion control. From H&M Home, I got this guy. Really sweet, full leather. And then this is the stuff. I'm gonna get some more stuff. I did want to buy some of their dried flowers and stuff too, but I didn't want to carry that home and ruin them. So I'm gonna get them another time. But once Christmas is over and I have to take the garland off the fireplace, I want to kind of style it quite nicely. So I've got a couple of things for that. We do some really cute baby vases. These are $2.99, so you can just put a dried flower out of it. That was one. This is another one I got. Cute. And I got one more. I also just wish I was doing my kitchen up so I could buy all the crockery there too, because I loved it. But this is another one. It's got gold around the top. This one is also $2.99. So I want these to sit up here eventually. Do you like these? They're cute, aren't they? $2.99 from H&M Home each. So up there we're gonna style for not Christmas with some of these. I want some more, but I'm gonna get some dried flowers from H&M Home that they sell and put them in there. Just like a couple hanging out, this little baby one. And then also in TK Maxx, which I'm actually gonna put these on now. I actually went in there looking for this. I wanted some gel eye patches. They're just really cooling and refreshing. This one is from, I think it's Korean. It's got Korean writing on it. Yeah, made in Korea. Skin79.com, and they are cold hydrogel eye patches, 24K. So let's try these out. You get 60 in there. So pretty good, and I paid £7 for them. So you get a lot. It's so satisfying just to keep them up. So I will be wearing this the rest of the video, but that's all I have to show you because I'm going to wrap the other stuff, which I'll do with you, and then I will also try on the dress. Oh, it's so nice feeling. Perfect. And they actually had loads of different types of these, but this is the one that caught my eye. But that's a good place to go for stuff like that. Now I am going to look a bit funny for the rest of the video with this on my face. Actually, it's so wet, it's dropping down. Okay, let's start wrapping, shall we? And then I'll try on the boots and the dress with you. I also got this. You guys can't see. I'm trying to avoid showing him. And then there's just a bunch of receipts in there, which I will keep just in case. Okay, let's start to wrapping, shall we? So this is the dress that I got, the Rixo dress. I really like it. I've got 2 different shoes on. I've got a Topshop shoe. And these are my Oscar T heels, which I actually don't wear often. But, boys' approval.
Yeah.
I like it. It just definitely needs to be taped. That's all. But really cute. Also, the fabric is like so nice and comfortable. I really like it. Still got my eye gels on. Quickly show you guys the boots as well. I wouldn't wear it with this dress, but for £19, pretty good. Just a nice casual boot you can wear during the day. Very comfortable as well, like the inside leather is nice. But yes, love this dress. Very happy with it. How long do you guys normally leave these on for? It's not like soaking anymore, but it's not dry. Just leave them on for as long as I want, I guess. This guy popped in the shower this morning, so hopefully he'll go away soon. I'm pretty exhausted from changing, so I'm gonna get back into my comfies and then chill out for the day. It's getting that time where it's closer and closer to Christmas and all I want to do is sit in bed and watch movies. But under the tree is looking rather full, which is nice. There's actually one more thing coming for the boy yet, which I haven't wrapped up, but it's being delivered. That is cute. As is this, guys. And let me pause the sorry girls. I've got into a little deep hole of watching home renovations, but I just wanted to say good night for the evening. I've literally been sitting here for a good few hours watching stuff. You're gonna do music, or we're gonna watch? We started watching Are You the One season 8 as well. We're getting through these a bit too quickly.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think we should just leave it for a bit, have a pause.
Okay.
And then get back into it.
I mean, I had some Housewives that I wanted to catch up on, but to be honest, I keep on just jumping straight to the reunions. So, although Orange County is still going on, so can't jump to that reunion. But yes, I'm just gonna watch some Sorry Girls this evening and some home renovation stuff. Pretty much all of YouTube is where I get my inspo for. I can't concentrate because all I'm staring at is this guy. What do you name him? Sir Bumperlot.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, we have a fun day out tomorrow. Obviously, London went into tier 3, but shops are still open, and this one has not done any Christmas shopping. So, because as you guys saw, I wrapped a lot of presents today. So, pretty much all of mine is done, but I do need to get my mother something. So I actually do need to do a little bit too. So we're going to go to London. I can show you guys the Christmas lights. I did go the other day. You guys saw that. Or you guys will be seeing that. I still haven't edited that. Oh. But yeah, a nice shopping day out in London. I also think I'm running out of wrapping paper. So could get to more of that. Probably will be some more wrapping for you guys as well. If you guys are enjoying that. I really like to watch wrapping. There'll be more of that too, because I'm assuming I'll be doing most of your wrapping.
Most probably, yeah.
Well, I'll be wrapping my own presents too.
No, I can do that.
Okay, you'll do that one. But yes, let's leave Vlogmas day. Don't even know what, oops, don't even know what day is. Day 17 there, and I will see you tomorrow for a day out shopping. Good night, guys. That is done for Vlogmas day 17. I will see you tomorrow for a day out shopping.
Nice.
Night. We're a week away, less than a week away. What are we? 8 days away. A week tomorrow Christmas is. Ooh, getting close. Night, guys.